Greetings to Kuala Lumpur. Could all ground person leave this aircraft as we are ready for departure? Thank you. Please under the seat in front of you or in the seat pocket at all times. Dear guests, thank you for making us the world's best low-cost airline for 16th year running. It's a pleasure having on board. Have a great journey ahead.
Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. This is a non-smoking flight. Please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention.
Untuk penggunaan e-rokok adalah dilarang sama sekali di dalam semua penerbangan AirAsia. Di bawah Undang-Undang Penerbangan Awam Malaysia, sebarang kesalahan merokok boleh dihukum penjara tidak melebihi dari 3 tahun atau didenda tidak lebih dari RM50,000 atau kedua-duanya sekali. Terima kasih atas perhatian anda.
அன்புள்ள விருந்தினர்களே, அனைத்து ஏர் ஏசியா விமானங்களிலும் மின் சிகரெட்டுகள் உட்பட எவ்வித புகைப்பிடித்தலும் கண்டிப்பாக தடை செய்யப்பட்டுள்ளது என்பதை நினைவில் கொள்ளவும். மலேசிய சிவில் விமான போக்குவரத்து சட்டங்களின்படி புகைப்பிடித்தல் தடையை மீறினால் 3 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு மிகாமல் சிறை தண்டனை அல்லது அதிகபட்சம் RM50,000 மலேசிய அபராதம் அல்லது இரண்டும் விதிக்கப்படும். உங்கள் கவனத்திற்கு நன்றி.
For safety measures, the cabin lights will be switched off for night takeoff. If you wish to read, please switch on reading lights above you. Thank you. beverages. We accept all major currency, Visa credit card, Master credit cards, Union Pay credit cards, as well as Big Pay card. As a safety reminder, please be mindful when card is passing through the aisle. Thank you. We have landed at Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Terminal 2. The local time is now 13 minutes past 8 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated. Do be careful when opening overhead compartments and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having on board. We look forward to serving again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Elena, First Officer Shafiq, and rest of the crew members on duty today, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. Sir, be seated, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are currently holding at our current position as our base still occupied. And once we get the latest information, we will start moving to our